Hey guys, have you ever tried biryani rice? Let me show you how to make chicken biryani rice. In a pot, add vegetable oil or any cooking oil of your choice. Add some chopped onions. I'm going to fry these onions until it's brown. It's not as if it's brown, but very brown because we are going to need it in prepare our biryani rice. Once that is ready, remove some of it from the oil. It all depends on how you want it. Remove some and leave some. You can remove everything, but I'm going to remove everything. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some herbs. Then I'm going to add 3 pieces of cloves. Then I'm going to add 2 bay leaves just to give this oil a nice flavor, and biryani rice call for this as well. So I'm going to steam this a little bit. I already seasoned my chicken. I forget to click on the play button so I can record it when I was seasoning my chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken. I'm using chicken breast for this biryani rice and it tastes amazing. You are going to love it. If you've not tried biryani rice before, try this recipe and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. It's always good to try something new and enjoy this. Then I'm going to go ahead and flip the other side of the chicken. I want everything to be cooked. In this recipe, I'm going to leave my chicken inside the pot throughout the recipe. Please leave a comment in comment section. Let me know where you are watching this video from. Just take a minute to do that. So after cooking this for some minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add other herbs, other seasoning that I really call for. You can add cinnamon powder. You can add the seed into it. I already add it, and I'm going to go ahead and add some black pepper, quarter teaspoon of black pepper. You can add the blended one or you can add the seed one. Also, I'm going to add nutmeg as well. I'm also using quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm going to stir until everything is well cooperated with my chicken. This rice is very delicious. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of paprika. You can use any herb. You can also use dry chili pepper. You can also use fresh chili pepper just to give it a nice spice. And this thing is not going to be spicy. I am do trust me for that. So I'm going to go ahead and add half cup of plain yogurt. It can be low fat, but plain, not with flavor. So I'm going to go ahead and add it. Sometimes others might decide not to add dailies. This food is mostly common with Pakistani, Indian. Even the first time I ate this food, I ate it in Middle East. Then I was staying in Abu Dhabi and I enjoyed it. Also, I also eat a delicious spicy biryani rice in Saudi Arabia. So I decided to share just my own recipe with you. It tastes amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and add half cup of water because I want my chicken to be very cooked and I want all the herbs that I've added to be well cooperated with my chicken. You are going to love this. This food really tastes amazing. So cook this for about 5 minutes. Then we'll come back and add our cooked rice. After 5 minutes, it's time for us to remove some part of the sauce. We are going to need it later when we are adding our cooked rice. Biryani rice mostly biryani rice is prepared with a basmati rice. So I already prepared my basmati rice before I started preparing the sauce. For if for a basic step on how to prepare biryani rice or basmati rice, please let me know in the comment section. I'm going to show you the process in preparing a perfect basmati rice. So I'm going to add my cooked basmati rice on top of my sauce. As you can see, it's well prepared. Then we only need to steam this with our sauce to enjoy our perfect biryani rice. So I'm going to add my fried onions into this. It always call for this. You can decide to skip it if you want it to be much. My kids don't really like that onions on the biryani rice, so that's why I prepared just one medium size of onion on it. So I'm going to add the other sauce of our biryani sauce on top of our basmati rice. So it really comes delicious and it comes amazing. So I'm going to steam this for about 2 minutes, then our biryani rice will be ready. So let's me show you how it looks. So this is it. It smells good, and the taste, you are going to find all the taste there. So let me serve it so you see how it looks. You can prepare your biryani rice in less than 30 minutes and it come amazing after putting all the ingredients together. Let's serve our biryani rice so you see how it looks. This really smells amazing. If you enjoy watching this biryani rice recipe, please do not forget to give us a like. To get more updated about my latest video, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get updated. Please enjoy this biryani rice and do not forget to share this recipe as well. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you again. Remain safe.